Welcome to Zach's Plumbing and Engineering Services. This is a project I'm working on at Hatches, so I'll be taking you through the various stages. Throughout the first stage, I began with my marking and cutting, and then laid the pipes after all the chisel works. And this was the outcome after we were done laying the pipes. The blocks have been laid, so let's see if our pipes are in line before we can proceed with the next stage, and that will be the supply line. So that's the outcome. Our pipes are in line with the blocks. So let me quickly run you through the second stage. So I began with my marking. After the marking, I began with my supply lines. So this was the outcome for one of the washrooms. So this is the main washroom, and that's our supply line right there. All pipes neatly laid inside the wall. This is a church building, so this is the main washroom for the founder of the church. After running all our supply lines, the next thing was to connect all the waste pipes into the septic tank and then the soakaway pit. So this is the trench for the waste pipes that will be running into the septic tank and the soakaway pit. This is the outcome for the whole work. So the next stage will be the final part of the work. The final part will be after they are done with the tiling and everything. Then we